Welcome to Asim Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to remove all instances of specific values from a list. For example, if we have a list of programming languages with the value Java repeated several times, to remove all instances of that value, we can run a while loop until Java is no longer in the list. So let's say prog for programming languages, and we have Python, C++, Java, C sharp, and then Java again. Now we are going to print the original list first. So we start with the list containing multiple instances of Java, and then we print the list. And now we are going to use a while loop, and we search for while Java in program. Then we are going to remove from our programming list prog.remove in Java, and after we're done, we're just gonna print our programming names list again. So here our code enters the while loop because it finds the value Java in the list at least once. Once inside the loop, our code remove the first instance of Java and then returns to while, and then re-enter the loops when it finds the Java is still in the list. It removes each instance of Java until the value is no longer in the list, at which point Python exit the loop, and we are going to see the list. So let's see, run our code, and here's our original list, and this list after the Java removed from our list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.